When it comes to selecting the perfect front door for your Tuscaloosa home, durability is just as important as design. The region's humid subtropical climate, with its hot summers, mild winters, and high humidity, can quickly wear down materials that aren't built to withstand temperature swings and moisture exposure. Choosing the right front door material ensures not only long-lasting beauty but also energy efficiency and security. Here's a detailed look at the best materials for front door durability in Tuscaloosa's climate. Fiberglass doors. A top performer for humidity and heat, fiberglass has become one of the most popular front door materials for good reason. It's designed to resist warping, rotting, and swelling, issues that plague traditional wood doors in humid climates like Tuscaloosa's. A fiberglass door can mimic the natural look of wood grain but without the constant maintenance. It's energy efficient, insulating your home against Tuscaloosa's summer heat while keeping cool air indoors. Additionally, fiberglass doesn't rust, dent, or corrode, making it a smart long-term investment. Many homeowners appreciate that these doors can be customized in various finishes and colors, giving curb appeal without sacrificing strength. Why it works for Tuscaloosa. Resists warping and moisture damage. Excellent thermal insulation for high temperatures. Minimal maintenance needed. Steel doors. Strength and security with weather resistance. For homeowners prioritizing security, steel doors are a top choice. These doors are strong, affordable, and built to last. Modern steel doors are treated with weather-resistant coatings that protect against rust and corrosion, key concerns in humid environments. While steel can conduct heat, insulated versions with foam cores help regulate indoor temperatures efficiently. Steel doors also resist cracking and bowing, making them ideal for Tuscaloosa's variable weather. However, it's important to maintain their finish, especially around the edges, to prevent moisture intrusion. Why it works for Tuscaloosa. Durable and impact-resistant. Affordable and energy-efficient options available. Rust-resistant finishes improve longevity. Solid wood doors. Timeless beauty with proper maintenance. Nothing matches the classic appeal of a solid wood front door. For traditional homes in Tuscaloosa's historic neighborhoods, wood offers warmth and sophistication. But wood doors do require attention, especially in the South's humid climate. To make wood a lasting option, choose dense, moisture-resistant species like mahogany, cedar, or oak. Regular sealing and refinishing will protect against moisture absorption and sun exposure. When well maintained, a wooden door provides excellent insulation and a natural barrier against heat and sound. Why it works for Tuscaloosa. With care, strong insulation properties, customizable finishes for style, versatility, regular maintenance prevents swelling and rot. Aluminum-clad doors. Modern durability meets style. Aluminum-clad doors combine the aesthetic of wood with the weather protection of metal. The aluminum exterior shields against rain, UV rays, and humidity, while the interior, often wood, adds warmth and energy efficiency. These doors are particularly useful for homeowners who want a sleek, modern look without worrying about rust or fading. Aluminum is naturally corrosion-resistant, making it a reliable option for Tuscaloosa's frequent summer storms. Why it works for Tuscaloosa. Corrosion-resistant and lightweight, low-maintenance surface. Stylish and modern design. Flexibility. Composite doors. The all-around weather warrior composite doors are engineered to withstand nearly any environmental condition. Made from a mix of materials like wood fibers, PVC, and insulating foam, they're designed for high durability and thermal performance. Composite doors resist warping, fading, and cracking, even after years of exposure to Tuscaloosa's humidity and sun. Their energy-efficient cores help lower cooling costs during Alabama's long summers, while their moisture-resistant surfaces keep maintenance simple. They're also available in designs that replicate natural wood, giving homeowners both performance and beauty. Why it works for Tuscaloosa. Immune to moisture-related damage. High energy efficiency. Long lifespan with minimal upkeep. Conclusion. The right door for Tuscaloosa. Living for homeowners in Tuscaloosa. The best front door materials are those that stand up to heat, humidity, and seasonal storms without compromising on style. Fiberglass and composite doors lead the way in durability and energy performance, while steel offers unbeatable security. Wood and aluminum-clad options appeal to those who value aesthetic detail, provided regular maintenance or protective finishes are used. Ultimately, the ideal front door combines resilience, insulation, and timeless beauty. Investing in the right material now ensures your home remains secure, efficient, and stunning for years, no matter what Tuscaloosa's weather brings.